Hello netizens! Hello mga kailaw ng tahanan, mga haligi ng tahanan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's activities, witness me while I'm kissing my stress reliever, my dear ringneck parrot, talking parrot called Chico.
Good guy. Chikuku. Ayan, nakakiss nanay.
For today's activity, magluto tayo ng vegetarian lasagna and all other vegetarian dishes. At very safe din kasi kakain din ng aking Chico. Ayan guys, ang sarap-sarap nito. Just be with me till the end of this video. Para sa mga bago guys, click the share, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much for your support. Ayan guys, kain tayo nito. Ang sarap-sarap. Additional, meron pang mga veggie balls. Ayan. At safe lang din kapag kakain ang aking Chico ko. My dear Chico. Ayan, kumakain siya ng cashew nuts at kunting pasta. The good thing in my Chico is kakain siya kahit anong i-offer mo. Basta healthy lang. My Chico is eating broccoli, cauliflower, pichay, at saka mga nuts. Chico is my healthy and happy parrot. Like and subscribe now. Thank you.